Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is help. Here's a picture of someone helping another person. Here is help in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Help means make it easier for someone to do something by offering one services or resources. Help. Past progressive was helping, past, helped, present progressive, helping, present, help, future, will help. Let's build a sentence. She was helping. Today, we will use the past progressive tense. Let's build a sentence. She was helping. Who? Who was she helping? She was helping the poor man. Oh. Let's build a sentence. She was helping the poor man. What? What was she helping the poor man do? She was helping the poor man walk. Let's build a sentence. She was helping the poor man walk. Why? Why was she helping him walk? Because he fell. Oh. Let's build a sentence. She was helping the poor man walk because he fell. Why? Where? Where did he fall? On the icy road. Oh, okay. Where? Let's build a sentence. She was helping the poor man walk because he fell on the icy road. When? When did he fall? Before church. Oh, okay. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words: who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.